shut up, shut up, shut up.
Voices crawl under skin.
Shut up, shut up, shut up. Voices crawl under skin like worms in the marrow. Teeth grind rhythm, every thought narrow. Static in the skull, pressure in the bone. Can't tell which one's mine, can't tell which one's home. They whisper sweet lies, then they scream commands. Split down the middle, tearing both hands, pulling at the nerves like a puppet on strings. Cut the silence open just to hear what it brings. They don't stop, they don't sleep, they don't fucking leave. They don't break, they don't bleed, they just fucking feed. White noise, fucking take it all. Burn the voices till the walls fucking fall. No pain, just a violent call. If the mind won't shut up, then break it all. White noise, let it fucking ring. Tear the goddamn silence from everything. No charge when the chains all sing. If the head's a prison, then burn the king. Shut. Fuck.
Voices in stereo.
Fuck. Voices in stereo, venom in the veins. Echo chamber screaming out 1,000 fucking names. Scratch at the surface, blood in the tone. Every word sharper than the edge of a throne. Mirror talks back, but it ain't the same. Something behind it, breathing my name. Shadow in the corner, never out of sight. Never says a word, but it loves to fight. They don't stop, they don't sleep, they don't fucking leave. They don't break, they don't bleed, they just fucking feed. White noise, fucking take it all. Burn the voices till the walls fucking fall. No peace, just a violent call. If the mind won't shut up, then break it all. White noise, let it fucking rain. Tear the goddamn silence from everything. No charge when the chains all sing. If the head's a prison, then burn the king. Quiet, just for a second. Just a second.
Rip it down, tear it down, kill the sound.